We have here some guavas. We are going to make our guava juice. As you can see, we have plenty of them. So stay tuned. We are going to make guava juice. As you can see, these are guavas. So let's make our guava juice, which is healthy and very nutritious, organic juice. Stay tuned. Watch the video until the end. Hello, good afternoon. It's a good afternoon here in Africa. We have this recipe. Today we have a guava juice. We are going to prepare guava juice, which is also nutritious to our bodies. Guava is also known as the guava pear in various regions. It's also a common tropical fruit cultivated in many tropical and subtropical regions. The benefits of guava. So we have a lot and many benefits of it. Guava, we can get vitamin C from guavas. Guavas also can boost our immune system due to its high vitamin C content and providing digestion. We get a lot of fiber and potassium from guava. It can lower also blood pressure. So let's prepare our juice. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate whenever you come across guava. Please don't miss a sip of guava fruit, a healthy fruit. Let's make our juice. So let's make our juice. We have lemon and guava. It's a healthy juice. Stay tuned. Let's make our healthy juice, please. We are going to wash it. After washing our guavas, then we'll be chopping, blend, and make our juice. A healthy, nutritious juice. We just use only 2 ingredients, guava and lemon for the guava juice. Our guavas are there, very organic fruits. It's a healthy juice. Come, we enjoy our guava juice. A very healthy and nutritious, helpful to our bodies, healthy. Let's make our juice. Stay tuned. So we are going to add in lemon also to our juice. We are adding only 1 lemon. So these are the seeds of guava juice, seeds of guava fruit. Let's continue making our guava. As you can see, this is our guava juice. Our guava juice is now ready. Our guava juice is now ready. Let's take it. So stay tuned. Let's have our guava juice. This is what we managed to get from our guavas. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate. Continue supporting the channel so that the channel grows. The channel is all about cooking. Thank you. See you in another video. It's a guava juice recipe.